Investing is the most crucial element in protecting your kids' future. Just investing, is that enough? The path ahead is to make the correct investment at the right time and place. LIC Jeevan Tarun is a child education plan. Will this plan open the doors for your kids in the future? In this video, let us analyze the plan and find whether this LIC Jeevan Tarun is a good option to trust your money with. Come, let's find out. Welcome to holisticinvestment.in. LIC Jeevan Tarun is a non-linked participating individual life assurance savings plan. First, let us look at the features. 4 plan option, proportion of survival benefit to be availed during the term of the policy. The policy offers life cover for the kid throughout the policy term. The plan can be purchased by any of the parents or grandparents for a child aged 0 to 12 years. Benefits of LIC Jeevan Tarun. First, death benefit, sum assured on death along with vested simple revisionary bonuses and final additional bonuses. Here, sum assured on death is defined as higher of basic sum assured or 7 times the annualized premium or 105% of total premiums paid. Next, survival benefit. A fixed percentage of sum assured shall be payable on each policy anniversary following the completion of 20 years of age and thereafter for the next 4 years. Maturity benefit. Sum assured on maturity along with vested simple revisionary bonuses and final additional bonus, if any, shall be payable, where sum assured on maturity is a fixed percentage of sum assured. Let us analyze the advantages and disadvantages of LIC Jeevan Tarun. Advantages: rider option, option to receive the death benefit and maturity benefit in installment. Loan can be availed and maximum loan amount is 90% of surrender value. Rebate for high sum assured. Next, disadvantages. There might be a mismatch between the survival benefit and the actual requirement. The maturity benefit is receivable only at a specified age, that is 25 years. The survival benefit cannot be deferred. Life cover is offered for the child and not for the parent. Generally, all child plans offer life cover for parents. Next, we are moving on to the most important aspect, return on investment. The measure of all cash flow received over the life of an investment expressed as a percentage is known as internal rate of return. IRR. These calculations are simple and help an investor decide whether to take or skip investment opportunity. We shall take a quote from LIC portal and calculate the IRR. A parent of a 5-year-old child opts for LIC Jeevan Tarun. The sum assured is Rs 5 lakhs, the policy term is 20 years and the premium paying term is 15 years. The annualized premium is 27,851. He chooses plan option 1. Under plan option 1, there is no survival benefit. At the age of 25 years, the maturity benefit along with the bonus is available. The illustration will show 2 different rates of assumed future investment returns, 8% and 4% per annum. These expected rate of returns do not represent upper or lower limits on the amount you could receive back. In this illustration, at 4% scenario, the final maturity value is 5.5 lakhs and the IRR calculation results in 2.11%. At 8% scenario, the final maturity value is 8.32 lakhs and the IRR calculation results in 5.25%. Both these returns are not beneficial for a long-term investor. The IRR is less than the inflation rate. Under plan option 1, even though there is no survival benefit and all the benefits are due at maturity, the IRR is low. If you opt for survival benefit, then the IRR will be even lower for those plan options. LIC Jeevan Tarun offers life cover for the child and the other benefits to meet the financial needs. In general, a life cover is available for an individual who is 18 years or above. Life cover for a kid is unnecessary. Now, let us evaluate the performance of other investments. If we invest the same premium of LIC Jeevan Tarun, the annualized premium of 27,851 can be invested either in a debt instrument or equity instrument as per your risk appetite. Here we have chosen ELSS fund for equity and PPF account for debt. Over the first 15 years, the premium is invested in these investment and in the last 5 years, the fund grows. The PPF account matures after 15 years and it could be extended for another 5 years. The final maturity value under PPF account is available to you at the end of 20 years. Under ELSS investment, the premium is invested in the first 15 years and in the last 5 years, the fund grows. While exiting the fund at the end of 20 years, capital gains tax is payable. Tax calculation is given here. In this illustration, the final maturity value under PPF account is 10.64 lakhs. The IRR under this scenario is 7.10%. The pre-tax value under ELSS fund is 20.49 lakhs. After capital gains tax payment, the final maturity value available is 18.96 lakhs. The IRR under the scenario is 11.42%. This is a post-tax return. From this analysis, it is evident that investing in a child insurance plan will not be helpful to cope with the inflation. Savings through LIC Jeevan Tarun will leave you in a deficit when the goal is due. So, investing in a diversified portfolio based on your personal risk appetite is the right way to tackle the inflation in the long run. Here is our final verdict. LIC Jeevan Tarun plan provides life insurance and an opportunity to grow your investment to secure your child's financial future. You have 4 options to meet your financial requirements. You can choose the plan option based on your needs. The flexibility in receiving the survival benefit is the only advantage of the plan. Otherwise, this is a simple money back policy. In the personal finance context, life cover is necessary only if the individual has dependent or other liabilities. So, in this context, life cover for a kid is unnecessary. The insurance component under LIC Jeevan Tarun is counterproductive. The return on investment is also poor for a long-term investment. A diversified investment portfolio will aid you in achieving the goals. Do not rely on these ready-made child plans. Investing in ready-made child plans will derail your financial plans. To build your wealth, consult a financial planner. A certified financial planner will ensure that your plan is on the right track throughout your investment journey. A detailed review of LIC Jeevan Tarun is available as a blog post in our website, and the link is given in the description. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment option or related to your financial goal, don't hesitate to book a free appointment with our financial planners. The link to the free booking is given in the description box below. Also, will you be interested to attend any insightful investment webinar? Then feel free to register for the upcoming Enlightening Investment Webinar. It is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up. Also, share it with your social circle. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now.